Hello, Dr. Friday is here today. I'm excited to guide you through how to multiply an entire column by a number in Excel. Okay, so you have these data sets, name of employee, hour works, okay, the hourly rates. Then we want to know what James John earned, okay, his total pay. So what you do is say equals to, select B4, then you times C2, and you put absolute reference. Press enter. Okay, you can click and drag. Okay, or you click by the side and it will automatically replicate the total pay for each staff. All right, so for the second method, you can copy the hourly worked. Then you copy, Control C to copy the hourly rates, then highlight this, then right click and paste special, then multiply. Okay. All right, so you can see the two methods. One is with formula, the second one is without formula. So between these two methods, let us know the one that saves you time. Kindly like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.